The growth in cryptocurrency and decentralized finance, and this encourages many people to embrace digital assets. This has increased the overall number of crypto investments and transactions. Similarly, Orion Protocol offers a unique liquidity aggregator that connects major exchanges into one simple platform. But what is ORN? How does it work? Is it worth investing in? Keep on watching this video to find out. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Animations, the channel where we explain to our viewers about the different types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. In today's video, we will talk about what the Orion Protocol is, so be sure to be attentive because you clearly don't want to miss out on an amazing opportunity to win a giveaway of a $25 crypto coin of your choice. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Now, with the intro out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. Orion Protocol, or ORN, is an open-source, decentralized blockchain platform that acts as a liquidity aggregator for centralized and decentralized exchanges. Orion Protocol was created to provide cryptocurrency users and traders with the best rates for trading tokens and coins across multiple exchange markets and platforms. Orion Protocol collects liquidity from a great variety of exchanges so that users can get the best rates and lowest fees for their trades. The system collects the liquidity from exchanges to transform it into a single API that finds the best routes for users. The system is also based on order books, so when an order is made, the aggregator immediately searches for multiple routes until it delivers the most suitable trading rates for network users. The protocol's unique functionalities proffer solutions to some DeFi prominent issues. These problems include a lack of trading pairs, liquidity, and unique trading tools that meet traders' demands. The protocol gathers all crypto exchanges' order books to a single easy-to-use platform for users. While other decentralized liquidity aggregators operate within the DeFi space to gather liquidity, Orion Protocol goes beyond that. The new project also aggregates liquidity from centralized digital exchanges and the DeFi ecosystem. Alexei Koloskov was the first to form the concept of the Orion Protocol. Koloskov, together with Kal Ali, created the project in 2018. The project was finally launched in 2020. The founding of the Orion Protocol came intending to handle the monopolizing problems of most big exchanges in the industry. The founders of Orion put the project as the new hope for the cryptocurrency industry. This is because the protocol, as a decentralized platform, supplies the demands of both users and businesses. Orion Protocol forms an entire ecosystem for traders by unifying the whole crypto market in a single API. Orion offers a full suite of features, tools, and products for traders and crypto users, including a portfolio management application, trading terminals, liquidity boost, app store, and DEX launcher. With all these widely available features and products at their disposal, users can trade tokens and cryptos at the best available rates. Orion seeks the most optimal routes, so users don't have to search through different exchanges to find the best trading opportunities. Users can also manage their assets within a single application with the Orion Portfolio Management app, which shows all relevant trading data for individual traders. Network users can also access the Orion App Store and buy and access apps that may help them with trades. Some of the available apps are payment integration systems and trading bots. Orion also has an extension for enterprise trading that companies and firms can integrate with their systems. Exchanges, both centralized and decentralized, can also use Orion's Liquidity Boost extension as a built-in feature to contribute to the overall liquidity. As Orion is open source, external developers can join the protocol and create decentralized applications. The Orion Protocol aims to eliminate piracy, another significant risk of centralized exchanges. Some reports have revealed that centralized exchanges are very vulnerable, and traders have no alternative where to deposit their cryptocurrencies, thus putting them at risk. Also, with Orion, traders don't have to worry about APIs from different exchanges and order types. They can concentrate and make their trades or manage their assets. According to the latest data gathered, the current price of Orion Protocol is $7.83, and ORN is currently ranked number in the entire crypto ecosystem. The circulation supply of Orion Protocol is 32,195,000, with a market cap of $252,157,588. With an increase in its trading volume and market cap, the Orion Protocol's price has shown a good growth of 3.12% in the last 24 hours. For the last 7 days, the ORN was in a good upward trend and increased by 6.69%. Orion Protocol has shown solid potential lately, and this could be a good opportunity for investors to dig right in and invest. Within the last 1 month, the price of ORN decreased by 5.087%, eliminating a whopping average sum of 42 cents from its current value. This sudden down means that the coin is in a dip right now, meaning that it can be a good buy opportunity for quick investment. The 90 days price change is around 6.7%, and the price circulated from a minimum average price of $8.30 to a max average price of $9.23 in the past 90 days. In the last 4 months, Orion Protocol has shown a growing trend. Thus, we think that similar market parts were quite popular at that period. According to the latest data collected, the trading volume of Orion Protocol has increased from 4 months. The trading volume constitutes a vital role in its price. One of the impressive things about Orion's security is that Certicay usually audits the network. This blockchain security company ensures that the network is continually functional, maintains its integrity, and adequately optimized via regular penetration and security audits. Other parts of the Orion network that pass through regular audits are the open-source software brokers use, the Orion Protocol code, and the smart contracts. With all these audits and checks, the Orion Terminal remains stable. Another aspect to consider is that the Orion Protocol is a non-custodial solution that doesn't provide asset storage mechanisms. Orion users have 100% control of their assets. They are in charge of their wallets, passwords, and keys. No central body manages the tokens, keys, or passwords. Many crypto exchanges usually offer wallet solutions to investors who wish to store their tokens on the platform. But one problem that these on-exchange wallets have is that they're prone to hacking. So, crypto experts usually recommend using a hardware wallet instead. Allowing users to control their assets makes it safe to say that Orion is safe. Also, any hacker compromising the network won't access users' funds since they're not on the platform. One of the impressive things to note is that the Orion Protocol has mapped out many plans to take the network higher. For instance, the team planned to launch the Orion Terminal mainnet in the first quarter of 2021. Now, Phase 1 of the terminal has been launched already. Other plans have been set for Quarter 4, including the launch of the Liquidity Boost plugin. With all these plans, both the ones already executed and those in the queue, it's obvious that the protocol is set to grow and integrate more features and functionalities. Orion's aggregated liquidity promised to solve this issue, and so far, it is off to a good start. With Orion, no single entity or investor can influence its aggregated liquidity. Users can consider this platform if they want to execute trades that are much more profitable or simply want to have a better view of how their portfolio is performing on different exchanges. The solution Orion proposes in order to solve this problem is to allow people to manage their assets in a completely free way on the platform, and at the time they deem appropriate, without the need to provide their private keys to do so. Moreover, Orion Protocol is user-friendly and even provides 2 staking components: broker staking and non-broker staking. This ensures that all levels of users get rewarded for staking their ORN tokens. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on the Orion Protocol? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.